good evening! Ano na guys, mag 6 o'clock. Kabubukas ko lang ng ating camera. Wala sana akong plano mag-vlog, pero sige, mag-vlog tayo kasi magko-Korean barbecue kami ng mga bata. Kararating ko lang, galing town kami ni Holly kasi may dance lesson si Holly. Today is Wednesday. Today is July 5. So, magiging updated tayo today and pumunta ako sa sa Asian store. Ito yung dito sa Asian store. Duman ako sa Coles para kumuha ng lettuce kasi kailangan natin yan. Wait, nilagay ko kayo dito. Ito yung nabili kong vegetables. Doon malapit kung saan nagda-dance lesson si Holly. Wala sa planong bumili ng vegetables kasi alis kami sa Friday. Kasi sa Friday guys, school holiday na ng mga bata for 2 weeks. So alis kami. And sabi ko, wag na ako mag-stock ng vegetables. Pero ang ganda ng talong. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng talong tulad sa atin. Bira lang magkaroon ng talong na ganito. Kasi yung talong dito sa Coast is yung malaki. So, binili ko na lang to para ulam bukas. And kung may tira naman, matagal naman ang life ng talong. Nasubukan ko na yan. Matagal ang life niya. And bumili ako ng red bean bread. Dalawa to, naubos na namin. Kinain ko yung isa't kalahati. Ito si Holly kalahati. Tapos, itatry ko itong veggie ramyun. Itatry ko lang siya. Then, bumili ako ng kimchi. And ito yung bibilihin ko lang sana sa Asian store. Itong mushroom, guys. Si Inuki mushroom. So, yan lang sana ang plano kong bilhin. Pero, ayan, napabili rin ako ng okra kasi maganda yung okra. And, may mangga siyang hilaw. Maasim na mangga. Ayan. Tapos, bumili ako ng sili. And, eto sa Costo. At saka eto, yung lettuce. So, bumili ako ng cream kasi si Jan, syempre, hindi naman siya kakain ng Korean barbecue. So, gagawin ko siya ng creamy garlic prawns. Tapos, mag-rice siya. So, yeah. So, baka sa next, kasi diba late vlogs yung napapanood nyo guys. So, next week, updated muna tayo. Okay? Tapos, balikan ko ulit yung caravan natin. Malapit na yon kasi papunta na kami, 2 vlogs pa ata. Papunta na kami ng Queensland. Marami kaming ganap sa Queensland guys. Kaya abangan nyo pa rin. And thank you so much kasi pinapanood nyo pa din kahit late. Maraming salamat. So, wala sana ako plano talagang mag-vlog ngayon. Kasi nagti-TikTok ako guys, di ba? Kung naka-follow kayo sa TikTok. So, tiniktok ko na to habang pumunta, nung binili ko to sa Asian store. So, makikita nyo to una sa TikTok kung naka-follow kayo sa akin. So, ipe-prepare ko muna yung kakainin ni Johnny Boy. Ito yung kay Jan, yung prawns. So, madali lang naman to. Nakaluto na ako ng rice bago ako malis. Nagluto na akong rice. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon ay hugasan ko ang mga to. Then, yeah, magpo-Korean tayo. Kunin ko na yung pan na paglulutuan natin ng meat. Meron kasi ako dyan na nabili na Korean pork, tsaka beef. Pero pork lang yung nilabas ko kasi madami siya. Nandun na siya sa kabilang fridge. Tinanggal ko na siya sa freezer. So, lutuan ko muna si Jan ng creamy garlic prawns. Nahugasan ko na yung mushroom and yung ating isang balot na lettuce. And ito yung isa. Hindi ko muna hinugasan kasi baka hindi maubos. And pag kulang, hugasan natin. And yung kay Jan, ito yung kay Jan, yung creamy garlic prawns. Pinapatikan ko lang. And ready na to very soon. So, i-prepare ko lang yung ating sauce. Ito yung nabili ko sa Korean store. Nandun tayo kila Race last time. So, ngayon ko pala magagamit. Ito yung soya bean ba to? Yeah. Soya bean paste. Uy. Ang bango-bango. May kape lang siya. Parang tayo, kasi madami itong yeah, you like that? Are you excited? Kind of? The sauce for that one. And this one is the soya bean paste, pero magkaiba yung ano niya, yung green tsaka brown. So, try din natin ito. Meron pa ko dyan yung pula. Hanapin ko. Madami nga nalagay ko dun sa isa. Yung mga bata, hindi ko alam kung magsasaw-saw sila dito. Lagyan natin ito sa fridge. Gusto natin ng kamay. Yung kay dyan, luto na. Meron akong beef. Kaso tingnan nyo, ang dami na nito. Isang bag to. Meron sana ko dyan na beef. Pero pork lang yung nilabas natin. Yan yung aking, hindi ko na vlog to guys. Pero na TikTok ko to. Ito yung, asa na yung aking berry glow. Ayan. Uminom pala ako ng berry glow na detox guys. Kasi alam nyo naman, constipated tayo. Isa na lang natira. 10 ang laman nito. Isa na lang. So, 10 days ko na siyang iniinom. Oh no, pang 9 days to. Pero mamaya ko pa to iinumin. Pinapalamig ko pa. Si Sak excited na.
Hi.
Yeah?
Why when I do that now, when I used to do that, it doesn't turn anymore?
I don't know. Mayroon siyang video na gustong panoorin pero hindi nag-move. So, ito yung hot pepper paste or gochujang. Tama ba yan? Gochujang na yung anghang. And may kimchi pa pala ako. Hindi magsasaw sa mga bata dito. So, kuha lang ako ng konti. Nilabas ko na ba yung kimchi? Ayun, yung kimchi. You want some of this? Why not? Nasira yung mukha nito. It's good.
What is it?
Kimchi. It's cabbage.
Why is that?
Yes, you do.
Yeah, but what's the sauce? Spicy?
It's spicy.
Alright, has it spicy tonight?
Okay. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Are you gonna put it this way?
No, you come this way because the cord. Ito yung kakainin ni John. Malilit yung prawns. Yan lang kasi yung available ko dyan. Yung malalaki na doon sa isang fridge. Freezer. Okay. Oh, what are you doing, Sa? Proper spoon? Why? Why proper spoon? What do you mean?
Oh!
Ay, mag-ano pala ako. Magpapalit ako ng babalutin ko
I
yung
thought we're doing it.
Ah, you can.
Stop, please.
Stop. Why I'm gonna stop? You can cook. Here. Oh, yung ako. Okay. Gusto niyo rin magluto-luto.
Hey, Daddy, coming?
Who's eater?
Kuya?
What is that?
Yours is not
Is mine ready?
Yeah, yours is red time. Hi, Baba.
Hey, Mommy!
You're fresh.
Why?
Give me some.
We had a bar.
I know. I told them.
Hey, Dad. This is
Oh, you have to put more stuff.
Yeah,
Go here.
I'm getting a chair. Wow! Oh, cool.
Hindi ako nakapag-iwan ng garlic. Wanna try, Baba? That one?
That enough? The same in
Yeah,
there?
put more.
Mom, that's not the bit.
Yeah. You want rice, yeah?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Mommy, what's that?
What sauce? You can do it. So I'm looking for the other. Oh, excuse me. Just be careful.
What if they're done? Do we put them on this one? Mom, is this bit cooking? No.
Huh? Yeah, you can cook there too.
Is there any more sauce, right?
Yeah, you want more?
I want that one more.
No, Baba, it's too far from you.
No.
It's too far from you, Baba.
Do I grab one?
No? What, grab one? We have to...
Shoulder.
Alright, okay, put more. But did you turn it off, sir?
Does this cook?
No, you can cook there.
No, it's cooking.
Yeah, I think because it's too hot already. Nice, alright. Kasi dyan pala humingi ng sauce. Humingi ng sauce si Johnny Wood. Ah, it's hot. Here, hand on. Good?
Whoa, that was pink. This thing is this. Dad. Dad.
Huh?
My shoulder hurts. Good. No, probably from doing this. No, it's not. See, Mama, too.
What's the rat?
No, I remember this. It got me on my face.
Yeah, just be careful. You have to open it, yeah.
I didn't do that.
You have to open it.
That's all.
You have to open
I
it.
didn't have to open it.
So we can put it in.
I'm sleeping with Mum. I'm the one who sleeps. Yeah. Even this one, Mum.
Oh, what happened?
It got me. No, it did.
No, the
How do
flashing.
you open it? I'm scared.
Oh, whatever, Saturday.
Don't be scared.
It's tough. So that one?
Inaan ko.
Mum, do you have 4 of those?
What for?
Of these? You know what pink? Oh, no, I'm not.
But this is good. You have to try.
But have I had that before?
Yeah, it's good.
Well, I've learnt this in class before. That is mushroom.
Baba, why
No.
you brushing your hair? Your
What?
hair? Yeah, not here.
Why? Baking home.
I see. Put more sato. Hindi pagod sa kilikili.
Hey. Oh, I forgot to put some on.
Kuya, what are you doing now?
Waiting for mine. I'm
Very
flicking.
lazy. Nabusog ako dun sa kinain ko na yung red bean
Why
na
is it just saying
tinapa.
Mum's not flicking?
Ha?
Why is it just saying Mum's flicking?
Waiting for
mine. No, you're just flicking the thing.
Why?
Where do we put them when they're done?
Here.
I'm going to the big one.
Hmm? That one is for cook, okay, Kuya?
What do I?
Don't pick that one in here, okay? We use that for cooked food.
Oh yeah, I just use my hair.
Ang tagal na namin na hindi ito ginawa. When was the last time we had this?
Always.
2018 daw sabi niya.
And we had actually rice on our
Yes. Wow. Malulobot na agad. Gabi naman to. Malulobot agad. Nagpa-plastic
It got me.
siya.
It got
Yeah,
quick
my
really
red.
fast. My hair's
This stuff,
red.
yeah.
My hair's red. A big one got red.
A big one.
It's done.
Yeah.
Can I put some on this stuff?
No.
What about lettuce?
Wanna try hands?
Hold on.
It's just pork, babe. Nothing.
It's okay, babe.
Ayaw niyo talaga. Ay naman ito. Wala tong...
Oh, that was good.
Wala, umuusok na dito. Baka mag-alarm yung ating...
Do we put the lettuce?
No, we don't cook the lettuce. We wrap that.
Oh.
To that lettuce.
What? Is that done?
Not yet.
Think this one's done? Here, I'm going to ice one.
Huh? Yeah, that one is done.
That's done.
Eve.
What do you think you are? I'm the one who cooked it.
You see, that's right.
Do we put them on the plate? Let me, I get that because I can't cook.
Huh?
No, I can go on the plate. I don't have to cook. That's a cool. Can't eat them yet. Man, they like roller.
Yes, that's done.
Mike and Barb.
Huh? Smoking. Yeah, can we open that one, huh? Ang lamig pa naman.
Oh, Mom, what about this? That. Do it? No.
Just a few
Mom,
seconds.
yes,
Yeah.
that.
What? This one?
No, like the mushroom.
It's alright.
Holy. Oh. Okay. Oh, this one's massive. What?
You love cooking stuff?
Yeah. That's in my own. It's getting me. Every little one.
That's very little one.
Because I can cook
We've
and
got
also coming
more
with
carrots,
me.
eh?
Yeah, where's the garbage bag, Baba? It's in the car, hon. Where is it, Holly?
Where am I
Where'd you get that?
Today.
Is that done?
May kinuha rin pala ako sa post na
Mommy,
garbage
is that
bag.
one done?
Yeah. Huh? I know.
Is it
small.
done?
Yes, yes.
Hang on. I might get other done ones.
Might float that open a little bit.
On this one? On this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, Kuya.
Okay, so, no, Baba, don't touch this one because it's for the cookbook. Yeah.
Oh, this one looks...
That's later.
Mommy, I will.
Yeah.
My can you roll that
Hindi
one?
pala nilalat ng ano,
This
pintuan.
one's being like on
Okay.
that. Cool.
Oil.
Mommy,
Yeah?
tomorrow we have to pack our
Oh, it's
stuff.
not even that hot now.
Yeah, that's why we should...
It's not 8 now.
Yeah, you can start now.
I'm not.
You can start.
You gotta
Oh,
open
can I
the
get
front one a
this?
little bit, mate.
The front one.
Yeah, 'cause it's not coming
What?
out there. So, Pico, shut that one and open the front one a little bit.
Go back, Kuya. Nahuli yung pagkain ni Kuya.
Can I grab one?
Yeah. Wrap it with your lettuce. Oh. Oh.
Because
I shut that one.
it's bad that you can't eat yet.
I shut that one.
What
Yeah,
about
Alarm
okay.
don't go off. Now I have too much
Go.
on now.
Yeah, try it now.
Oh, I remember doing this.
me? Yes.
Put some tomato sauce on it.
Mhm.
Tomato.
Start eating. Try this one. Try.
No.
Why?
Before. I think.
So, wala nang may nagluluto. Eto, try this one, Kuya. I'm telling you, this is so good. Just one. Just try. Try this one, Sa.
I'll get the food out.
Try. It's so good, Sa. I'm telling you. I'm not lying. This is good mushroom.
I'll get to spit it out here.
You don't have to spit out, Kuya. Just swallow
Not if I
it.
don't like it.
You will love it.
If I don't.
It's mine.
Are you? It's hot. Try. It's not the mushroom.
I'll finish this first before.
What do you think of that, Sa? Good mushroom, right? It's sweet. Manamis-namis kasi ito.
I just ate them all first.
It's the rice.
It's good.
Good?
I didn't know you can add rice.
I was gonna cook all this.
Yeah.
And can we save some for tomorrow?
No, we have to eat it now. It's not good for tomorrow. Did you try it, yeah? Ay, si Kuya talaga.
So,
Try natin ito lahat. Halo-halo.
that's my favorite game of the year.
Ha?
No. Chicken versus West Coast.
Good, Baba?
Can I get no more of these?
Did you eat yours up?
Mommy, I'm just gonna eat already now because I had none of that in there.
Oh, this one. Oh.
Quickly, let's try it.
That one's mine. I'm
Good job.
This one's mine, okay?
Try it. It's good.
Quick, is that one ready? Yes. Mommy, that one's a bit hot. That one's mine.
Just try that one, please. You won't eat it.
I don't know it. Stubborn.
Si hindi siya mag-veggies talaga.
I don't eat that. He's a vegetarian.
No, not vegetarian.
No, vegan.
Vegan.
Yeah.
Kumakain siya lettuce, pero yung mga
That.
exotic, hindi na.
Mom,
Like
this
mushroom.
cooked this side?
Not yet.
Mommy, what did this?
Well, yeah.
This side?
Just toast it a little bit.
This one. This side.
So, alis kami sa Friday. Hindi pa sinasabi niya kung hanggang kailan kami dun sa Adelaide. Kasi kailangan din namin bumalik agad.
Mommy, they put more
Kasi
on
pupunta
it.
kami sa Rome.
Mommy, they
Right
put
after, or mga, siguro magstay kami mga 2 days dito. Then, punta kami ng Rome. Yun yung plano for school holiday. What's wrong, Kuya?
Grabbed my thumb.
How?
I grabbed the whole thing and left it in my hand.
Pasok siya. Pasok siya.
Classic.
Isa, na-enjoy niya ang pagluto-luto.
Mom,
Mm.
No.
No? You don't enjoy it?
No, I don't. But what hole is that say?
I should join my open toy.
Doesn't it like?
Oh.
I'm just getting it cooked.
Mama,
Hmm?
would you grab up the room before the wash?
No, you can just...
Oh my gosh. Because I give it salt.
You like the mushroom sauce?
It's alright.
Can you eat it?
Okay.
Kasi madami ko.
Mommy, mine slipped out of my hand and the wash has got everywhere.
That'll cook.
Oh. Ow.
Loba tayo, guys. And yung tagaluto natin na uhaw. Yeah? No, I didn't. I didn't turn it off.
Go like that.
Yeah. So, nagpalit na ako ng battery. Pero yung battery to, ewan ko kung maglalas din to. May mga ano na to. May mga defect ng ating battery. Mabilis na sila mag-lowbat.
Please.
What's that?
The tissue so I go to drop it. It's keep dropping it on this. My what?
It's alright that one. Si Sak yung tagaluto. Si Kuya ang taga...
Too much, Mum.
Si Kuya ang taga-kain.
But always.
Ako, ano, dalawa pa lang. Dalawa, tatlo. Subo pa lang ako. Si Kuya, kotang-kota na to si Kuya. You like it, yeah?
Yeah, it hurts my teeth because it doesn't look like good, yeah?
Yeah.
That's why.
Oh, just
I don't know what I did, but I think scraping it every time I eat,
eat on the other side.
it pushes up.
Are you tired now, Sak?
We can stop and eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm saving it.
Why? Why are you saving?
Because I want to cook.
Ah.
Mine, I was best biscuit.
Best what? Tapos na si Jang kumain.
Guess what, Tasia?
Dessert na si Jan.
This is
Best
for us,
biscuit
huh?
daw. Ito yung TV, guys.
What?
Ayan.
I got one. Yeah, what?
Favorite ni Jan. One. Ang dami niya namang favorite.
Malt stick.
Ang dami niya namang favorite na chocolate. Pero yung biscuit kasi
Right.
masarap.
Yeah, fine.
Yung TV.
I like them ones better.
Mom, that is the same, but they're just sticks.
I just want to
Good. Try Han.
No, I had biscuit now.
Whatever.
Don't come for us, TJ.
It's alright, Sak. We got a lot. Hi, Kuya's not helping cooking. He's just eating.
We'll have it with my cook. We don't want them in.
Natatawa guys.
I'll do my own.
Let Kuya eat, Sak. You can eat. You can eat as well, Sak.
Scratch the
Yeah, don't
Why?
scratch. Yeah, you don't.
do it on the meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, just put it on there.
On the meat, Sak.
On the meat.
You don't. No, you don't scratch the plate. Not yet, not yet. Come on, Kuya. Eat, Kuya. Don't listen to Sak. So,
How do you
stop.
get the oil back?
No, it's, you
plenty of oil
don't,
in
you
the
don't
meat,
need
mate.
oil.
Mommy?
Yeah?
I'm still
What if it goes in that hole?
drink.
Okay, get water. Where's your water bottle?
So what if it goes in
That's
that?
where it's meant to go, mate.
Yeah.
Because it drains into
Yeah.
there's a tray there.
Okay, then I'm just.
No, that would...
Don't scratch it.
I'm not.
Are you full, yeah?
Eat me, Mommy.
What if it goes in?
Don't.
Does it matter?
No.
Oh, I thought that
No,
were
no,
earbuds.
son.
What way?
Mommy, you can sit down
Huh?
with me.
I thought they were earbuds.
Mommy, you can sit down with me.
What? Earbuds?
Earbuds.
No. Kala niya earbuds daw.
They're
water
mushrooms.
buds.
like it.
It's mushroom one.
I
Try.
don't like it. He cooked one.
Go! Naiinis ako. Pinaglalaroan niyo yung aking
You can sit
mushroom.
down with me, Mommy.
Alright,
I need
Bella.
more.
Huh? I think naman ni Sak yung kaswitan kay Jan. Mahilig si Jan mag-kiss-kiss eh.
Yeah, sorry, boy.
Kasi si Sak mahilig din siya manghalik sa akin, tsaka kay Holly, tsaka kay Daddy.
I don't like
Oh,
the
girl,
big
fishing
one.
mate and bye.
Fishing. Can you get us a rice, please?
Hey, you want to check that string?
Huh?
Did you let me check that string or be wrong?
No, alright.
What do you want?
Rice, please.
Mommy, is this one okay?
Huh?
Is this one okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Like me.
What are you doing, Sak?
Because you guys really on your side. Maybe have some. Ow!
This one. I'm always waiting for this
Is that enough?
Yeah. Eat, Sak, eat. Why? You're full already.
You know, it's like when you cook, you don't.
Oo, diba? Siya kasi nagluluto. I think you're gonna help me eating the mushroom stuff
Yeah,
Oh,
later.
later. And tingnan nyo, gamit na gamit ko guys yung ano, naalala nyo, ito yung sa canister na tinagal ko. Ayun, gamit na gamit natin siya. Come on, you can cook here, yeah. Come on.
I'll cook there then.
Huh?
I'll cook there.
It's alright.
No, Dad, no. I want to see it.
You wanna see it? Can you change? He wants to sit to Kuya. Let him see. Ay!
Ay, okay.
Okay, Mommy?
Mano lang to.
Dad, touch this. Dad, touch this.
No, it's not. Kuya, let Zachary. No, let Zachary sit. Yeah, let
You
Zachary.
can eat there now.
Hey, Dad, I know it's Debbie. We're cooking your food. So shut that front door. It's getting cold.
Yeah, okay. Shut the
I'm
door.
cooking.
Yes.
I'm cooking
Here, Kuya, you can cook.
After you finish, it was a bit smoky. Just cook it
Yeah,
up.
alright.
Oh, Mom, this one.
Lumalamig na kasi sa loob.
Mom, this one cook.
Not yet. Come on, Kuya, cook.
Come on.
You can eat too, Sa. Nice mushroom. You wanna try the kimchi, Sa?
It doesn't taste right by itself. I need something with it.
We'll put lettuce.
Oh, that's just... Yes, sir.
But these are the big ones. Mommy, I think I got 3.
They are training tomorrow, right?
Yep,
Yeah, we're swimming.
Swimming?
At the
Yeah,
new
I'm coming.
aquarium.
The aquatic center.
Yeah.
Mommy, I
Dad,
got
I
3.
could
I
pay for
got
us.
4.
So Daddy
Mommy,
was.
how we get
Yeah.
pasta? Pasta.
Is Daddy taking you?
How
Yeah.
can that one?
Here, I'll make you one. Do you want that?
Make sure you, no short after swim.
No
What?
short after swim because it's
You
cold.
swim and then cold and then sick, go that later, alright? Just trackies and
Oh, kasi itong mga bata.
Wait, Mom, you want me to
Di
make
ko
you
alam
one?
kung bakit.
Mom, you want me to make
Alright, something. Di ko alam kung bakit di nila nararamdaman yung lamig. Naka-shirt sila, may trackie
Mom, put
sila
that much?
para
Do you...
isuot nila
I'll
pag
just spend, Mom.
punta ng school.
Taylor, give
Hindi
me
sila
that
nagta-trackies.
one. Yeah.
May meeting daw si Jan.
Mom, do you want me to put this one?
Just a little bit.
Also,
What happened?
Just a little bit.
that's
That's
right,
too
it
much.
does that, it just stays there. then.
Yeah. It cooled down a little bit. Because it's too hot. Gawan daw ako ni Zach.
We're having a
See ya.
party.
You're having a party. Akala ko ako. Siya. Punta siya sa friend niya.
What else do you want? No.
Mommy,
A little bit.
Could I try?
You all have bars, put your bung on too.
Thank you.
We
What
should,
about
Sana
that?
kainin
What
niya.
about that?
you gotta remember every time we have a shower
What
jet.
about that, Mom?
Kimchi, yes. Yeah.
Eat.
Okay, I might get the kimchi.
Pwede ko naman abutin sa kanya.
Mommy, I only want
Serva niyang mami niya.
Yes, it's already got the 3, that's why it stopped.
What do you mean?
Give me another one. Put another lettuce on top.
Alright, please. Thank you.
I'll see if you turn it up, it gets hotter, but it's already at 3, so it's hot already.
Mommy, it's dripping.
What's that? The water?
No, you put it on half.
Huh? That's right, leave it there.
Thank you. Don't wipe it.
See it
Here,
start
here.
to cook
Here,
again.
wipe it. Here. There. Thank you, Zach.
I might cook. Oh my god, this is ready.
No, not yet.
No?
Not yet.
Oh, Mum, some fell in the hole.
Well,
Like in that hole.
I got it.
No.
Okay.
No.
My.
Don't let it, okay? Just oil. Because that's not big enough.
See, we accidentally. Should I try putting oil?
Stop doing that.
Do it on the mushroom. Good stuff, Tay. Kuya. Sticks, Tay. No wonder. And there's still lots in it. You want
Yeah.
another one? Have another one?
Here's a piece.
Another one?
Mm.
That one. Alright. That one.
I'm done.
Imagine.
I'm not cooking anymore.
You're done.
I'm not cooking.
Why?
Dad, you go back and spot.
No.
Natatasik ang kasi
5 minutes.
But you're not done eating.
No.
No, I'm eating.
Kain pa siya. Tapos na siya magluto.
Wait,
Pero kakain siya.
look, they're doing more jobs than you.
Ano nga.
Because it's
Hala, sana maubos natin ito. Ang dami pang meat.
some of that. That's not even done. Is that done?
Yes, yeah. Ang dami pala nitong meat. Baba, can you move,
Mom,
Baba?
can you put that one?
That's not even done.
One guy.
How about...
Do you want that one, Mom?
Let me sit first.
Do you want that one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you can do the rest. I might have. I might have. No, just... Who's been cooking? You're meant to flip him.
I'm not cooking.
Oh. Sarap makaupo.
Oh my god, they're not even cooking.
Mas gusto ko itong isa na sauce.
No one's cooking now. Should I now?
Yep.
Okay. Here, follow me, please. Sorry. See, we had a lot. Ow. I'm finding the foot. But I didn't get easy one.
Baba, no. Ako na.
Mommy, where do I sit? That cooked, Mum?
Mm-hmm.
Mum, I'll make you
Do you
one.
like cooking stuff?
It's alright. It's strong. Is this cooked? Mum, I'll make you one. That's good?
Yeah.
That?
Mm-hmm.
Mum, I'll make you one. Save something then. We will put that. That's
Kaya sinasabi ko, save some for me. You can eat while you're cooking.
Well, can you make someone make me one?
Okay, I'll
With
make
nothing of
it.
that.
Okay.
Mum, I'll make you one. But not like any of this. Oh, these. some of
Mushroom
these.
is good. Put some mushroom. Just a little bit.
No.
Just
Fine,
this
fine.
one. Si Kuya, ayaw niya talaga. Maybe you should eat it. Exactly. It's alright.
I don't want
It's alright.
that. Mommy, I want that thing to make the thing for you.
Stop. Open your mouth.
No.
This is how you eat it, Sak. Yeah. Eat all. Put more, Sak. Wala na tayong meat. Ano na yan? Wala nang meat yan. Here, yeah.
Mommy, do you
Yeah.
want any rice?
No, I'm good, Papa. Thank
Do
you.
you
Are
want,
you making some for
yeah,
me?
making something. Do you want rice?
No, I'm good, Baba. Just put this
Oh,
sauce. Ah, you want rice?
I can go broke.
Okay, you said you don't want any.
Ooh, this one.
Yeah.
Mommy, take milk or do you want this?
No, I'm good. That's all right, Baba. Put little.
Two.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you.
So you wanted that? That's what you need. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Now I can make mine first.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, there's no little ones, is there? This one's a big one.
I open it. If I need water, are you gonna get me? Okay, thank you.
You want me to make you another one, Mum? Since you're cooking? No.
I feel like this is gonna get me, I know.
Put it there. This is Mummy's okay. I'm waiting. Mum, I'm waiting for some of that.
Okay.
Do you want mushroom on it?
Yeah, but I'm cooking my mushroom. I want mushroom.
Mushroom's right there. Mummy,
No, not yet. That's not yet.
can you use the green one?
Huh?
I'll just use
No.
Yeah.
You just use this one for cook. Right? Yeah?
Always the little one.
Mummy, how am I?
Cook,
Grab
Mum,
it.
it's cook. Quick, Mum, just cook.
Yeah.
Is that all you want?
This for you?
Mum,
No,
just cook.
please.
Just cook this side.
No, not yet. Make it like this.
Oh, and the other side needs to be cooked.
You want to do rice?
Just a little bit of that one, but it's too spicy.
I might just make them crispy.
Yeah, make it crispy.
Okay. I'll just keep it on there for a little bit.
Kung may 1,000 tayong ganito, 1,000 din tayong gagawin, masakit din siya sa kilikili, ha? Buti nga may katulong tayo sa pagluluto.
I know what you're saying.
What? What do you think? What do you think I said?
I know.
I said I'm lucky that you're helping me cooking.
Sure?
Yeah.
Is there something that really good?
Yeah, because it hurt my kilikili doing this. Back and forth.
What?
Yeah.
Mine is. No, it's just here.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Kuya, I don't know, yeah.
Full? I'm waiting.
Mummy,
You're
actually,
waiting?
let me put it on it.
This is mine?
Yeah.
You put mushroom?
You'll cook. No. Just. Is it hot?
No.
Mum, this side?
No, make it crispy, sir.
Oh, yeah. Now I'm going to make this one. That's it.
Mummy,
You
I'm
don't
back.
do that to each other. I won't make it.
Ugh. I know when that
Cooks
making.
fast, though, Mum.
you cook and I make you
Oh, Mum,
some.
is it bubbly means it has to flip?
Not yet, not yet.
Mum, you cook and I make you some of this.
Are you done eating?
No.
I'm not. I
There's
haven't
no
even
little
started.
ones.
Mum, this?
No, not yet.
Mum, I'll just have this with this. Oh.
You want me to make the one, sir?
I can put that.
Please.
Okay, I will, Mum.
But don't put any mushroom. Oh, Mum, the mushroom.
Is
That's
this good enough?
Sure.
Kozak, is this good enough?
Yeah. But no, like mushroom.
No, miss, yeah.
We just got to wait for me. Do you want some of that?
No, I'm good.
Do you want that?
This one. I want this one.
You can just fold it up.
Okay. Maglagay pa tayo ng meat. Thank you, sir. Nakakain na din siya.
Got them.
Kain.
Mum, is this one good one for me?
Yeah.
Right, you have a little.
Yeah, you're right, yeah. Parang si Kuya natutulala si Kuya.
He's tulog.
Tulog.
He's nearly tulog.
He's nearly tulog.
That one's one.
Yan si Kuya Sak. Inutusan siya ni Sak na kuhaan siya ng rice. Yes, that's good. Dami nang naluto ni Sak. Oh, meron pa. Ubusin namin yan.
You wanna take a piece of my heart again? I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow.
Kala niya. Busog na si kuya. Tapos na pala guys, kaming kumain. And yung lettuce, ayan yung natira. Yung last kong hinugasan, ayan, tumutulo. And nilinisan ko na to, hindi pa siya tapos. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung oil. Ayan yung oil guys, so punong-puno yan. So linisan ko lang. Ito yung natira nating pork. And ayan yung sausawan. And yung kimchi, hindi ko naubos. Tapos, ito yung sauce kanina na hindi ko masyado nagalaw. Kasi nag-focus ako dun sa isa, yung isa ubos na ubos. Tapos, may konti pa dyan. Pero hindi ko yung itatapon kasi meron pa. So, yan. Ito, itatapon to sa labas. So, nalinis ko na yung pinaglutuan natin ng Korean food. Nanonood pa sila ng Madagascar 3. So, yan. 3. How's your arm, Sat?
So,
Masakit yung right arm niya.
so
Kasi,
doing that?
yeah, kasi siya talaga halos nagluto. How about you, Ya? Are you aching, Ya?
Yes, tired.
Ha?
Yes.
He's tired? Anong masakit sa'yo, Ya? What's aching? What? Masakit daw yung singit niya. So, yan na namin yung vlog. Again, magiging updated tayo kasi may ganap tayo. May 2 weeks school holiday yung mga bata. So, may ganap kami.
We're not going to school Friday.
Yeah, kasi punta tayo. Where we going?
Adelaide.
So, punta kayo ng Adelaide. Then, after Adelaide, may pupunta ulit tayo. Yeah, so.
And for footy.
And, yeah, and then we're gonna stay there. So, basta may mga ganap kami, guys.
In a
Diba?
caravan.
Yeah, in a caravan. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, pag may ano tayo, pag may, tawag nito, pag may updated vlog, i-insert ko. Tapos, pag wala, yung mga late vlogs. So, yun na, guys. And thank you again sa mga nanonood ng mga late vlogs ko, guys. Maraming salamat. So, after this, latest vlog tayo, guys. So, thank you. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you, guys. Busog ako. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
Next vlog. Bye!
Bye! Good night. Yeah, good night. Si Kuya, para siya yung nagluto. Bye, guys. Good night.
Cause I